Did you know this about chia seeds water? Never drink chia seed water like this. Seriously, if you're just tossing chia seeds in a glass of water and chugging it down, you might be doing more harm than good. Because here's what nobody tells you. Chia seed water can boost your energy and help with weight loss, but it can also cause bloating, constipation, or even choke you if you don't prepare it the right way. So, what's the right way? And what's the one hidden benefit people completely overlook? Stick around, because once you know this, you'll never drink chia seed water the same way again. Chia seeds have exploded in popularity in the health world, especially in holistic circles. Everyone from yoga instructors to nutrition coaches is raving about it. But here's what's wild. Most people are either drinking it wrong or completely missing out on the one core benefit that makes it worth it in the first place. We're not just talking about fiber or omega-3s. There's something deeper. Let's break it all down. The problem. You've been drinking it wrong. Here's the truth. Most people don't realize chia seeds are hydrophilic, meaning they absorb up to 12 times their weight in water. That's great, if you know what you're doing. But if you swallow them dry or don't let them soak long enough, those seeds can expand inside your throat or stomach, which can lead to serious discomfort, or worse, a choking hazard. There are even medical case reports where people ended up in the ER because they drank dry or half-soaked chia seeds with water. No one talks about this, but you need to know it. Before we dive into the benefits, if you're into simple, natural ways to support your health, and you want real, no-fluff explanations, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a wellness breakdown. Let's fix the way you're using chia seed water and unlock its full potential. How to prepare chia seed water. The right way. First, the basics. Use 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to 1.5 cups of water. Let them soak for at least 30 minutes, or ideally overnight in the fridge. You'll know it's ready when the water turns slightly gel-like, almost like a runny pudding. That gel is soluble fiber, and it's the magic ingredient we're after. You can also squeeze in a bit of lemon, lime, or apple cider vinegar for flavor, and added health perks. But don't skip the soak, ever. 1. Blood sugar control, the silent superpower. Here's something most people miss. Chia seed water slows down digestion. That's not a bad thing. In fact, it's great for people trying to balance blood sugar levels. The gel-like fiber in soaked chia seeds forms a barrier in your stomach that slows the breakdown of carbs. That means fewer sugar spikes, more stable energy, and reduced cravings. In one study published in Diabetes Care, people who ate chia seeds had significantly lower post-meal glucose spikes, especially if you struggle with blood sugar or pre-diabetes. 2. Gut health. Feed the good bacteria. Your gut runs the show. And chia seed water? It's gut-friendly. The soluble fiber feeds beneficial gut bacteria, which helps improve digestion, immunity, and even mood. That's right, your gut makes up to 90% of your serotonin. People often complain about constipation or irregularity. But drinking properly soaked chia water can help get things moving, gently. No harsh laxatives, no bloating, just smoother digestion. Soaking is key. Skip it, and you might actually clog your system instead of helping it. 3. Natural appetite control and weight loss. Let's be honest, a lot of people turn to chia seed water to lose weight. And it can help. But here's the real reason why. The fiber and gel create a feeling of fullness. You feel satisfied faster, eat less, and your body digests food more slowly. It's not magic, it's just smart biology. But don't rely on chia alone. It works best when you combine it with a healthy diet rich in whole foods, movement, and enough water throughout the day. Pro tip: drink it about 30 minutes before a meal to help curb overeating. 4. Energy and hydration. Better than coffee? Most people underestimate the hydration factor. Chia seeds are like little hydration bombs. When soaked properly, they hold water and slowly release it into your body, helping you stay hydrated longer. This is why some athletes and runners use chia seed water instead of sugary energy drinks. You get stable energy thanks to protein, fat, and fiber without a crash. No caffeine, no jitters, just clean fuel. 5. Anti-inflammatory omega-3s. Now, let's talk about brain health and inflammation. Chia seeds are packed with plant-based omega-3s, specifically ALA. While plant-based omega-3s aren't as powerful as those from fish, they still play a huge role in reducing inflammation, supporting brain function, and even improving sleep. If you're vegan or plant-based, this is one way to bridge that omega-3 gap. To boost absorption, pair it with a little fat, like chia water plus almond milk, or have it alongside a handful of nuts. The most overlooked benefit of all. Here's what most people never talk about: detoxification support. Now, detox is a word that gets thrown around way too much. But in this case, there's science behind it. Chia gel binds to toxins and waste in your digestive system and helps flush them out. Think of it like a natural scrubbing sponge for your gut. This can help reduce gas, bloating, skin flare-ups, and even brain fog, all symptoms of a sluggish elimination system. It's not a quick fix, but over time, if you drink chia seed water consistently and correctly, your entire digestive ecosystem improves. That's real, natural detox, not some shady cleanse from a plastic bottle. Let's be real. It only works if you stay consistent. Don't expect chia seed water to work like a miracle overnight. The benefits build up over time, just like most things in holistic health. Drink it daily and the benefits quietly stack up. Small, consistent choices, one-time extreme efforts. Wellness isn't about doing everything perfectly. It's about doing the small things consistently, like drinking chia seed water the right way. If there's one thing you take away from this video, it's this: let the chia soak. Drink it daily and give your body time. So now you know the truth about chia seed water. Yes, it's packed with fiber, protein, omega-3s, and antioxidants. Yes, it can support gut health, weight loss, blood sugar, and even hydration. But only if you use it the right way. Soaked, slow, and steady. Trendy or not, it works, if you use it right. If this helped you, share it with someone who's been drinking chia seed water the wrong way. And if you want more down-to-earth, no-nonsense wellness tips that actually work, hit that subscribe button and join the Holistic Wellness family. Take care of your body. It's the only one you've got.